A dice rolling simulator is an excellent beginner project to master Python fundamentals. It involves generating random numbers, using loops, and defining functions. This project not only enhances your coding skills, but also provides a practical tool for board games, probability experiments, and educational purposes, laying a foundation for more complex game development. Building a dice rolling simulator helps master core Python concepts like random number generation, loops, and functions. It offers practical applications in board games, probability experiments, and educational demonstrations. This project lays a foundation for more complex game development and interactive applications, enhancing your programming skills and creativity. A dice rolling simulator digitally mimics the act of rolling dice, instantly providing randomized results. It generates random integers between 1 and 6 using Python's libraries, simulating a standard 6-sided die. The results are displayed through ASCII art or text, enhancing user engagement in the terminal. Core Python tools like random.randint are essential for generating dice roll values between 1 and 6. The input function captures user preferences, such as the number of dice to roll, while print provides visual feedback. Control structures, including functions, loops, and conditionals, ensure efficient program flow and input validation. A clean, intuitive interface enhances the dice rolling experience by providing clear prompts and instant feedback. Users are guided seamlessly, ensuring they understand each step. This design minimizes confusion and maximizes engagement, making the process enjoyable and efficient. Prompt users to enter the number of dice, ensuring it's between 1 and 6. Validate this input using the parse_input function to confirm it's an integer within range. If errors occur, provide clear, helpful messages to guide users, enhancing their experience and preventing application crashes. To simulate dice rolls, use random.randint, open parenthesis, 1,6 close parenthesis for each die, ensuring equal probability for all faces. Loop through the user's chosen number of dice, generating independent results. Store these values in a list for easy processing and display. This method efficiently captures the randomness of dice rolls, preparing data for visual representation. Transform numeric dice results into engaging visual displays using ASCII art. Each face from 1 to 6 has a unique pattern, created with characters. Use dot, join to combine lines, and dot center for alignment. Display multiple dice side by side with consistent spacing and borders, enhancing visual appeal and interpretability. Rolling multiple dice simultaneously enhances the experience by displaying each face with unique ASCII patterns. The total sum of all dice faces is calculated, providing a quick reference for game scoring. This visual output creates an immersive experience, making digital dice feel as tangible as physical ones. Display the ASCII art of dice faces with proper alignment for clarity. Calculate and show the total sum for easy scoring. Provide options to roll again or exit, enhancing interactivity. For a vibrant experience, use libraries like Colorama to add color, making each dice value visually distinct. The roll dice function uses random.randint to simulate dice rolls, returning a list of results. The display dice function maps these results to ASCII art, visually representing each die face. It also calculates and prints the total sum of the rolls, integrating user interaction and enhancing the gaming experience with visual feedback.